Hello everyone, my name is Adam Azimoyo, and today I'm going to be presenting on sequences and series. So let's get started. What is a sequence? A sequence is basically an ordered list of numbers, and we call these numbers terms. An example of these are this sequence right here, or this sequence right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, 10, 15, 20. Now, we label a sequence with a capital letter. It could be A or B or Z. It doesn't matter, it's just a capital letter. Now, we can identify a specific term within the sequence, such as 3 or 10, by the order in which it came. So, if I wanted to identify, say, 3 in this series, I would call this, for now, sequence A, and this would be um, term 3, because this is the third term in the sequence. Now, this would be term 3 as well, because although the number is 15, it's the third term in the sequence. So we would call this whole thing A, and we would call this particular term 3. So it's A3 to identify this number. Now, what is a series? A series is basically when you add up all the terms of your sequence. And this is our specific symbol for adding a sequence up like this. This Greek letter is the symbol for a series. We have the 10 for the number we want to end with. This A and this N as the sequence. We're identifying the sequence. N is just a placeholder. And N equals 1, so it's saying the number we want to start with is the first term in the sequence. So yeah. A particular African sequence is known popularly as the Fibonacci sequence. It was actually discovered by Black people first. It goes 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc., etc., etc. And it basically could go forever. Basically, you're adding the current one and the previous one to get the next one. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, and so on and so on. So, and we know about this from one of the mathematical texts of ancient Kemet. Several of them have been discovered over the years, and one particular one has a problem about rabbits. And it says if two rabbits are put in a pen together, how many pairs will be in the pen after 9 months? And then we're assuming that it takes 1 month for the rabbit pair to mature and 1 month for the rabbit pair to be born. So here's the solved problem right here. As you can see, there starts out they're a baby rabbit pair. So it takes 1 month to mature. And then they give birth. They give birth to another one. That took another month. And then they still exist. And then while they're maturing, it takes a month. They're giving birth to other babies. And it's basically a cycle, and it gets exponentially bigger and bigger. Now, this is something I thought of myself. How this particular sequences and series, how that could serve our people. I said I think sequences can prove beneficial in managing our armies. For example, if we have 4 companies and each company had 100 soldiers, we could call the companies A N, B N, C N, and D N respectively. Now, if we wanted to if we wanted to add up all the soldiers in the C regiment, the symbol for that would be 100 and then the Greek letter, and we're identifying the particular sequence because we're doing the C regiment, so it's going to be CN, and N equals 1. So we're counting up all the soldiers in the C regiment. Um, Thank you. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all learned something. Feel free to email me at isstudentadai@gmail.com if you have any questions. Thank you.